Alright, to retrieve a file from a different folder, first you must close off everything so you're seeing Dassault systems. Currently we're in ENGT 193 students collaborative. You can put your cursor up there where I'm referencing ENGT 193 students. That is the collaborative space we're currently in. So I'm going to switch collaborative spaces by hitting the down arrow. And you should have access to this first one, 193 student startup. So I have some startup models for you to find. You can click on that and say OK. And then what you're going to do is type in a search string, which I've already given to Saeed. Startup with a dash in between and an underscore. So it's start dash up underscore model. And then we're going to pick the first one on the right, top right row. Please do not save. Look how many files I got saved that are not supposed to be there because students have overwritten my work. So don't save this. Hit the down arrow here and open it. Once you open the file, immediately switch collaborations. So go to the step number 1 is switch collaboration. So go back to the student startup, our students, 193 students. So now you're back in the collaboration. When you say OK, you must do it in this order. Okay, please do not write over the top of my existing models or delete them. Now you can change the name. So add your student name to the second row. Now go to Canvas. If you hit Alt Tab, it should bring your canvas right up, or that too. Okay, so this one's called Model Feature Part Number 2. So he's going to copy that. Go back to CATIA and rename this. There's a 2 already there you could have used, but we're going to hit space 2 and say OK. And now we're going to immediately save this. So I'm not overwriting any of mine in any way. So you're going to change that to save with options. Select the file and then not revision, it's the next one over. So put your cursor on the feature and show me what it says. No, to the right. Save as new, okay? Not the one to the left. What's the one to the left say? To the left. You went right. Not a revision, okay? Save as new. Go back to the one we're supposed to do. Okay, do that one. Don't do it yet. On the bottom right corner, do you see where it says 2 modified objects? Can you put your cursor where it says 2 modified objects? Okay, what it's supposed to say is new object. So what you got to do is go to that button, save new. Go ahead and hit save new. And you can get rid of the word copy. Say OK. See how it switched it to 2 new objects? Say OK to that. And that's your startup model for this. Okay? So, if this is saved, you should now be able to go to another collaboration. So let's do one more. Switch to collaboration. Back to the student startup. First one on the list. Say OK. Now go back to the search and type in startup model. And then the one on the far right, second row, we'll open that one next. Hit the down arrow Open it. Okay, immediately switch the collaboration back to your students. And then immediately change the name. Put your name in on the second row. Can you just hit the up arrow? Will it find your name? Say OK. And then this first row, we're going to rename that. We're going to go to Canvas to find out what it's called. So go back to Canvas. Scroll down, look for, was it first one or second one? No, I guess it's the third one, right? So we're going to copy up, 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 up. It's that third one. Okay. Copy that. Go back to CATIA. Now, can you just hit the up arrow? Does it remember what we typed in last? Hit the up arrow. Click in that field and hit the up arrow. Up and down arrow, nothing. There. And then change a 2 to a 3. Say OK. Immediately do a save with options. Pick that one, save as new. Say OK. Now, let's do it one more time. Switch to the student. No, wrong one. It's the first one on the list. Say OK. What are you going to search for? Yep. Now scroll down just a little bit. And it's best to grab that bar and scroll down because it tends to go too fast. This one is on the far left. We're going to grab that one and open that. Okay, and immediately switch. Change your name. We should be able to hit the up arrow to find your name. Okay, your name's supposed to be all caps next time. Okay, and then change the name. This one was which one? This one was number 1, I think, right? Go back to Canvas. What is that name? That's number 3. You gotta scroll up or down. That's number 3. Not number 3. We already did number 3. It's not number 3. It's gotta be 1 or 4 or something. Nope, that's not it. We already did that one. So that's number 1. Scroll down. Where are you going? It's number 1. Wait, now that's number 2. So number 2 is, that's number 1. That's the name of it right there. Okay, that's number 1. So go change the name to number 1. You should be able to just hit the up and down arrows again. Say okay. Okay, so there you go. Now, if you hit the save, I'm pretty sure you're okay. But I don't know, I'm nervous. So we're going to do save with option. It's good for you guys to know these save with options anyways. And say okay. All right, Sahid, can you go back to Canvas? Go up to the top. You're going to take those 3 models and try and make them look like this right here. Okay? And then the one on the top right, you have to start that from scratch. And then scroll down. Oh, wait. Go up, 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 up. Up, 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 all the way to the top. Go up, up. You gotta, you gotta minimize this window. It's in blue hyperlink. I think it says minimize. Scroll down. See this? You gotta build this on your own too. There is no startup model. Okay, this one's gonna be 4.5. All right. I will have videos for you, but you get 30 minutes to try it to see if you can get any done. All right. Again, I'm on the honor system. You got 30 minutes. After you've tried it for 30 minutes, go watch my videos on how to do it. You make sure to use the Word doc and answer the questions in the Word doc. All right. Thank you.